the Genius star, where we can find 165,888 puzzles, and there is always the solutions. But first, what is included with Genius Star? Genius Star, single or two players game, comes with a set of 7 dice. 4 dice are regular and 3 are 8 face. Each player will have a grid, a set of 7 blockers, a set of 11 pieces, different size, different shape, and only 2 pieces are the same, these 2 pieces. If I flip the piece, we can make a golden star. If you manage to make a golden star on the grid, you are a genius. Let's see how to play. You start by rolling the dice first and place on the grid, follow the numbers, the blockers. I have 15. 15 is here. 39. 39 is somewhere here. 30. Where is 30? 30 here. 10. Alors 10 is here. Alors here I have 33. 33. 17. 17. And where is my last one? 47. 47. The goal is to put the piece on the tray. If you manage, like I say, to place the golden star, I have an opportunity here. Like I say, you are lucky and you are genius, but you have to complete the other empty space. Can you do it? Let's see. Oops. I don't know if we can do it. This piece looks like not. Let's see. Maybe this piece, but I need 2 single one. This will be not working. Let's see. If I place this piece, I can have this one and this one. I will be working. Oh, blocker escape. Here, what can I place? Maybe this? No. This one can go. Next, what can I have? Let's see, this piece can go here. I will work. 4 pieces left. I need to find a way to place the piece. Let's see. If I place this piece here, I can have, no. This one can go, but here it's a no-go. Can go here. But I need to do a change. Let's see. That one. This one. Ooh. Oh, I can do that. That's a tricky part. It's maybe not possible. No. Let's see this. No, are we missing one? Okay. This, no. It's maybe not possible. No, it's not possible with that. Not like that. If we can do it, but let's see if I change the. Maybe more. No, that will be not possible. I don't see it. Or maybe here. Let's see. Let's try here. Here, alors I can have this piece. Very good. Alors here, I need this one. That will work. Alors here. This one, no. This one can work. Okay, this one will work. Next, let's see. This one can work, but here what can occur? That would be not good. It's something else. Let's see. What can I place? Let's see if I place this one here. Okay. This one can go there. That will work. This one can go here. This one can go here. Let's see. I got this metal too. Let's see. If I place a little 2 here, I need some things to go. Maybe this way. No, I'm 3. No, that will be not working. Let's see where I can place this. Now, let's see, this way. No. This way. No, need 3. It's not good. Okay. This way. Alors, I can have this going here. There. Oh, I need to change. This can go. I think I'm turning wrong. That's not good. I cannot really place something else here. I don't see it. If I place this, let's see. No. This 3. No. That's not good. Not good. Not good. Let's see. This one maybe with this one. Okay. Oops. Alors, this one maybe can go here. This one can go there. This one can go here. Okay, I have this one, but that's not going to work like that. Let's have this one. No, let's see. This one this way. I don't see another way. That's this 3. That's not good. This will be good. No, don't have a piece to go there. This go there. Oh, I have no D2. I have to go back. Huh. I have 2 times a piece. Sorry. This go here. Let's go. And this go there. I took 2 times the piece. Okay, now it's working. If you like Genius Star, you're going to like also Genius Square. Check the video on the screen. Thank you. Oh, my mistake.